Okay, so if you want to install a HUD, which will give you, make the game look nicer, and it also give you, crosshairs for aliens and stuff. People want it, so I actually have a HUDs directory here. I have a couple. I just have two HUDs at the moment that I have archived, and the rest I might download from the archives I know of if I can be bothered. But these are two that you can try that I can leave a download link for, and I'll leave some more as well because you can try them all, see which ones you like. I'm gonna use this one as an example, but essentially what you want to do is extract it however you can, and in here you can get anything really. Delete everything, you don't need it except from the UI folder. You just want to copy it, and then you want to go to wherever you have tremulous installed, and this folder right here, it can be called base or GPP, it doesn't matter. So if it's called GPP, that's fine. If it's called base, that's also fine. Just go inside it like this, and then paste the UI folder in here. Now, different HUDs might have different stuff in them. So if you open up the README right here, this one is an HTML file, and there's actually an installation just on here. So as you can see, this one specifically has a nice installation guide. It just says, you don't need the VM folders, they're unnecessary. And then run tremulous, open the console and type that command right there, which is this script right here. And say if I were to get the other HUD, so I can delete this one, and I can go ahead and grab this. This one works a little bit differently. So this one has an install.cfg and an uninstall.cfg. And this README, also there is a README that comes with this one that also has a little installation section, which is nice. And it tells you exactly how to install it. Just in case it doesn't have a README, just use your common sense. If I open it up right here, we have a UI folder which we all need to put in. And then we have this folder and we have install.cfg, which will do everything that we need. So you can look at it and sort of work it out. So I'm going to install this one. Oh no. So I'm going to take this UI folder and paste it in here. Then open up the game. Type /execute UI install.cfg. And then I'm going to load into a server. As you can see, this immediately looks different. My chat is a little bit smaller, it looks a lot nicer. And if I go on human team right here, you can see if I quickly, I'll show you a couple nice things you can do. So first of all, we got alien team, which as you can see, you get a nice crosshair, as you should do, which is nice. You can also play how I play if you want, which is by using the .xhairs command right there to enable this red dot, and then you can just like turn off the crosshair and just have a red dot, which is how I play, because that's how I like it. And yeah, you can also have your alien crosshairs. If you do have a draw crosshair on its default and you evolve to Advanced Dragoon, you might see this. So basically, whenever you play on Alien Team, just make sure that you have CG Draw Crosshair 0, which means that you'll always have this crosshair and not the default one that the game gives you with the few aliens that have it, which I think is the Advanced Marauder and the Advanced Dragoon. There's also a couple styles of leaderboard you can use on this specific HUD. So yeah, each HUD has its own special elements. I'm just going to go through the ones of this one. This is the one that it's my favourite out of the like hundreds of HUDs I've tried. You can change the score screen to clear, which is what I use, which is nice. And yeah, that's pretty much a super easy way to install HUDs that works just fine. It doesn't cause any issues, got a nice loading screen on it. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's super simple, doesn't require that much effort, and it's definitely worth it.